Hello students. In the previous video, we discussed about the potential energy and kinetic energy. Now we will discuss further types of energy. Next one is the electrical energy. Students, electrical energy is used in our homes. Most of the appliances like fans, tube lights, air conditioners, refrigerators, etc. use the electrical energy. Next one is the thermal energy. Students, what is thermal energy? Thermal energy is known as heat energy. The sun is the major source of energy. When fuels like coal, petroleum burn, then the heat energy is produced. Let us understand with the help of an example. Students, in railway station, trains. Train use steam to run. Okay, next, we cook food using heat energy. We use heat energy for warming our body in winters. We use hot water bottles to get relief from body pain. We use hot water for better cleaning in our homes also. Okay. And the next one is light energy. Students, we cannot see anything without light. Sun is the main source of light. Moon also helps us to see the objects in night. For example, fire, candle, light, etc. are the source of light. Let us understand with the help of an examples that what is how light is produced. Search engines are used, search lights are used for search purposes. Floodlights used to little bit for large areas. Light energy is used to kill the germs. Next one is the sound energy. Students, sound energy move in the form of wave. Sound energy move in the form of wave from one part to another. Firstly, anything vibrate, then can reach to our brain and then we can hear the sound. Okay, next one is ultrasound, examples of sound energy. Student, ultrasound helps us to detect the defects in our body. Turning forks are used in laboratories. Different turning forks having different energies and different sounds are produced. Some other forms of energy. Students, there are another some form of energy. For example, wind energy, tide energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy. Okay. Next is interconversion of energy. Next topic is interconversion of energy. Students, conservation of one form of energy to another form of energy is called transformation of energy or interconversion of energy. Students, mechanical energy is always of two forms, that is the kinetic energy and potential energy. When we convert one form of energy to another, then some of the energy is spent in the transformation. Let us understand with the help of an experiment. Take a pendulum, students. This is the mean position of the pendulum. This one is the extreme position. This one is also the extreme position. Students, when we move the pendulum from mean position to extreme position, then potential energy is stored in it. Potential energy, then from extreme position, pendulum move towards the mean position, uses the potential energy. And after when pendulum is in mean position, then it goes towards the extreme position on the opposite side, then he uses the kinetic energy. When it goes from position, extreme position to mean position, then it uses the potential energy. Then potential energy is converted into kinetic energy and moves towards the extreme position. Then again kinetic energy is converted into potential energy and pendulum moves from extreme position to mean position. That means kinetic energy and potential energy are interconvertible. Kinetic energy is changes into potential energy and potential energy is changes into kinetic energy. Next is law of conservation of energy. It states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only change its form from one to another. Students, when energy is changed from one form to another, then some of the energy is spent in transformation. For example, in the pendulum, energy is changed. Potential energy and kinetic energy are interconvertible, but then it stops things when air friction is provided. For example, students, take the example of bulb. When we switch on the bulb, electric energy is converted into light energy, but some heat is produced. That means that heat energy is not useful for us. Next is the roller coaster. Student, roller coaster you have seen in many of the parks. Maybe you have take ride also. A roller coaster moves ups and downs, taking the path in this way. Then car is here, then it gains the potential energy. It uses the potential energy to go towards the B, and then from B it takes the kinetic energy. Because potential energy and kinetic energy are interconvertible, potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. Then again kinetic energy used and position go towards the C, then again changes. That means kinetic energy and potential energy are interconvertible. Next is hydropower plant. Students, hydropower plant in which electricity is produced. Hydro means water. If water is stored in dam at a certain height, when anything move from the higher to down, then it gains the potential energy. Let us understand with the help of an diagram. Receiver, after that is pipe, tribune, generator. Firstly, water goes in receiver. When water goes from receiver to the pipe, it gains the potential energy. After when move water towards from pipe to tribune, then it gets kinetic energy. That means potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. Both are interconvertible. Then again kinetic energy becomes the kinetic energy when it goes to the tribune. Then when it goes to the generator, then it form in the form of electrical energy. Thank you.